Okay. We got sauerkraut and ham. Got black-eyed peas and ham. Over in the Instant Pot, we've got cabbage. We got pork ribs. We got homemade rolls. This is what we're cooking for New Year's. I hope y'all are cooking the same thing. Or find you something new to cook. I cooked the ribs in the Instant Pot for an hour and 15 minutes. Then I'm baking them in the oven for 30 minutes. Hope y'all having a good day today. We went to the store. There wasn't much of a sale on. What little bit we did get, just the basics, milk, bread, pop, and milk was $178. Just the basics. Hope y'all having a good day. Hope y'all had a good night last night at the New Year's Eve. They shot off fireworks for about 2 hours here last night. Somebody did. I made a big old coffee toffee cake last night for New Year's. And it was pretty good. It was the Pioneer Woman's recipe. Ree Drummond. Cabbage is done. All we have to do is let it release by itself, and we'll be ready to eat here in a little few minutes. Cabbage is done in the Instant Pot. The sauerkraut and the ham is done. The black-eyed peas and the ham is done. And the homemade dinner rolls is done. And the ribs are out of the oven, and they're done. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Bye.